Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install. Today's wig is from Luvwinhair and this is their human hair bob 3-part hairline lace front wig. Now this wig does come pre-bleached, you guys, and it also does come pre-plucked, and mind you, it is 3 parts, so you actually have a lot of room to do multiple styles with just this one wig. So I'm giving you guys a very quick unboxing, of course. Now here is the hair. Again, this specific wig is from Luvwinhair. Number one, I absolutely love the cut of this wig, just so you guys know, and that is the close-up of the hairline and the lace. And as you guys can see, that lace is so thin, which is great. That means we're gonna have a great wig install. The inside of the wig is like more so of a dome cap, but it does have the 3 combs, and it also has that silicone base at the bottom as well, just to prevent your wig from slipping. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is put some makeup on your lace. Now, I've learned to not drench the lace with like a ton of product, including makeup as well. Personally, I feel like it's good to go with just one thin layer of foundation, and then if you need to add more as you're installing, depending on where you part and depending on how the lace laid, then you add some more then. But I start off with like a minimum of foundation on the lace in itself. So now I'm just throwing the wig on. I really just want to see how it looks, etc. Just making sure everything is fitting correctly. Once I'm comfortable with it, I went ahead and cut off all the additional lace. So really quick, before I cut off all the other lace, you guys see I'm adding some mascara on the hair, and that is because I did bleach the notch just a little bit more and some of the bleach got on the hair, which is not a big deal, but I decided to include it in this video just in case if you ever have that problem. I just go in with the mascara wand. I use this mascara wand specifically for my wigs, and I just put it on the areas where I got bleach on the hair. It works just as good. So right now I am just cutting off all the additional lace with these rigid scissors. Again, everything that I use will be listed in my description box. You guys should know that by now. But I'm just cutting right along the hairline, and I'm gonna make sure everything looks okay before I secure the lace down with my even adhesive spray. Alright, so now that the spray is tacky, and it literally does not take that long to get tacky whatsoever, now it's time to lay that lace down. So I'm going to go in section by section, of course, and take your time with this. Be very patient. One thing that I've learned is that you do not want to add too much product. You want to be smart about where you're laying your wigs, etc. So that's kind of why, like, I always make sure my lace is going to be in a good area before I put any product down to secure it, because this could get messy and I do not want it to get messy. Also, you don't want to get a ton of product on the lace, etc. Like, you just don't want it to be looking crusty, like, honestly. So once I'm okay with how everything is looking, then I'll go ahead and I'll secure the sides down. And once that is secure, I'm going to add some melting spray on top of the lace The melting spray is more so of like a thinner spray, and it's just like an extra secure type of thing, and it helps to really just melt the lace into your skin. But remember, lace is a texture, so you really just want to try your best to hide it as much as possible. You're never going to fully get rid of it, but the good thing about this particular wig is that the lace is super thin, so that helps a lot. Once I was secure with the lace overall, I just went in with the elastic band and I let it sit for about like 10 minutes. Alright, so the lace is fully secure now, and now it's time to add some foundation. Now, from you guys' point of view, you probably can't tell that, you know, the lace needed foundation, and it really didn't, because this is like an invisible HD Swiss lace, which is why it melts so perfectly. But if I could see it in my mirror, just like a little bit of like off color type of thing, I just go in with foundation. So that's what I did, and then I'm going to use my wax stick and my hot comb, of course, to make sure that the lace is really laying flat and it's giving natural. Okay, you guys, so remember that this wig is a free part wig, so if you wanted to do like a side part, you can. It's completely up to you, but I really enjoyed the cut of this bob wig. I like how it was long in the front and short in the back, so I decided to stay with the middle part to really just show off that cut. So again, to mold the wig into shape and make sure everything is laying in place, I'm just going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and then I will be flat ironing the hair as normal. That's like the easiest part of this whole installation. Alright, so just so you guys know, I will have like the specific details as far as the inches and density of this wig listed in the description box down below, but I hope you guys could see this beautiful cut. This is why I decided to stick with a middle part to really show that off. I love how the front is long and the back is shorter, and I feel like it helps to frame your face as well. Luvwinhair specializes in like producing high quality wigs. They really want to give you that luxurious feel when it comes to their units, and I definitely get that type of vibe from them. Make sure you guys check out my description box. Everything will be listed there. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.